Yamata.
Ah, yellow. Is this it?
Tam seems happy.
Yes, that's the one.
Well, it's a good thing Tam found her wallet. Police boxes can be found all around the country. The officers posted there look after the safety and security of people in the neighborhood. It's a system that originated in Japan. Today's key phrase is, I lost my wallet.
財布を落としてしまいました。
If you remember this pattern, you'll be able to describe a mistake you've made.
Here's the meaning, word by word. 財布 is wallet. The o that follows is a particle indicating the object. 落としてしまいました means happen to lose. The te form of the verb to lose, 落とす, is 落として and it's followed by しまいました. Today's point is the use of しまいました after the te form of a verb. It expresses remorse or regret about something that's happened. So, when you want to talk about a mistake you've made, in this case, losing a wallet, instead of saying 落としました, it's better to say 落としてしまいました.
Listen and repeat.
落としてしまいました。財布を落としてしまいました。
Got it? Listen to a conversation in which a hotel guest tells a front desk clerk that he forgot something.
すみません。部屋の番号を忘れてしまいました。
お名前は Well, let's see what it means.
すみません。部屋の番号を忘れてしまいました。
Excuse me, I forgot my room number.
部屋 is room, and 番号 is number. 忘れて is the te form of the verb to forget, 忘れる, followed by しまいました. It expresses the troubled feeling of the speaker. お名前は
Your name is...
名前 is name. Since it's a question directed to a guest, o is attached in front of the word for politeness, making it お名前.
Give it a try. Listen and repeat.
忘れてしまいました。部屋の番号を忘れてしまいました。すみません。部屋の番号を忘れてしまいました。Now, try talking about other ways you may have messed up. You've spilled some water from your glass at a restaurant. Call the server and explain what happened.
Spill water is...
水をこぼす。
The verb to spill is...
こぼす。
The te form is...
こぼして。こぼして。
Okay, go ahead.
すみません。水をこぼしてしまいました。すみません。水をこぼしてしまいました。
Here's Step Up. Today it's about the names of colors. When Tam was describing her wallet at the police box, she said, 黄色い財布, yellow wallet, remember?
Yellow
黄色い
is an adjective. Other common colors are red,
赤い
white,
白い
black,
黒い
青い. Listen and repeat.
red 赤い white 白い black 黒い blue 青い
Are all the color names e-adjectives?
Well, now that you mention it, some are nouns. For example, midori, which is green. With nouns like green wallet, you add the particle no in between and say midori no saifu. Long words like pink, pinku, or gray, green, are also nouns.
And with that in mind, listen to the skit one more time.
ってごらんなさい。
それでどんな財布ですか？
黄色い財布です。
ああ、黄色。これですか？
それです。ハルさんの知恵袋。
Next up, Harusan's bag full of advice. And today's topic, police boxes or Koga.
So, Michael, have you ever been to a Koban in Japan?
Oh yes, on a number of occasions. When I'm looking for a particular place and I need help. Also, when my boxes are tired and flat and I don't have a pump, I borrow theirs.
Wow, that surprises me.
Well, they're very useful, of course. Their role there is to help. So, yeah, they're very helpful people.
At a Koban, you can also ask for directions or file a report on something is wrong. The officers also handle criminal investigations, neighborhood patrols, and traffic enforcement.
Police boxes are public safety hubs. They often show up in Japanese movies, novels, and manga because they are an integral part of daily life.
Some people think the Koban system may be one reason why Japan's crime rate is relatively low. Other countries have tried it out, and nowadays you can actually find aspects of the Koban system in such countries as the U.S., Singapore, and Brazil. Well, we hope you enjoyed today's Easy Japanese.
Tune in again.